Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to this detailed guide on replacing the battery of your HP 15EC laptop and performing necessary maintenance. Let's dive right in. First, gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage. Begin by powering off your laptop completely and unplugging it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will see several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It is typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, ensure you are grounded by wearing an anti-static wrist strap. This will prevent any static electricity from damaging your laptop's internal components. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. Now, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that may be holding it in place. Once the screws are removed, lift the battery out carefully. If you are replacing the battery, take your new battery and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard by pushing the connector back into place. Now that the new battery is installed, it's a good time to perform some internal cleaning. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fan and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and prevent overheating. After cleaning, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel. Before you power on your laptop, remember that if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. You can also receive a quote before any repair is done, ensuring transparency in our services. Now, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check to see if the new battery is recognized and functioning properly. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery of your HP 15EC laptop and performed essential maintenance. Regular maintenance will help extend the life of your device and keep it running smoothly. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.